Hi, I'm here today to help you choose the right oil for your motorcycle. I'll answer some of the most common questions that people have about engine oil, so by the time you're done watching this, you'll have the knowledge you need to confidently select the correct oil for your motorcycle. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the best oil for my motorcycle? It's the one your owner's manual recommends. Chances are the manufacturer built your engine with a specific oil in mind, and you'll find that oil's exact weight and sometimes even refinement type and brand in your owner's manual. If you don't have the manual for your bike, they are usually pretty easy to find online. Question 2. What do the numbers mean that are in my service manual and on the bottles? Numbers like 10W30, 20W50, and SAE60 are an engine oil's weight. In other words, its thickness. The lower the numbers, the thinner the oil, the higher the numbers, the thicker the oil. Every engine needs a certain oil weight to operate at peak potential. An important note here is that you shouldn't use car oil in your motorcycle. Even if the weight looks to be the same, motorcycle oil is designed differently to work with the lubrication needs of a motorcycle engine, transmission, and clutch. Question 3. Motorcycle oils all appear to be conventional, synthetic, or semi-synthetic. What does that all mean? These are the different types of refinements an engine oil can utilize. The best choice is whatever your owner's manual recommends. But if your manual doesn't have a recommendation, it typically comes down to the type of riding you intend to do. Synthetic oil is more expensive, but it's the most refined and pure, so it's the best at performing under extreme conditions. Synthetic oil is the right choice if you own a high-performance motorcycle or you're a bit loose with your service intervals. Conventional oil is the opposite of synthetic. It is less expensive, but also less refined and pure, so it's more likely to break down under extreme conditions. Conventional oil will protect your engine under normal operating conditions, so it is the right choice if you ride your motorcycle a bit more casually or if you have an older bike that you don't really push very hard. Lastly, semi-synthetic is a blend of conventional and synthetic oils. It's generally cheaper than synthetic, but pricier than conventional. Think less refined and pure than synthetic, but more refined and pure than conventional. Semi-synthetic is the right choice if you need performance for your modern bike that you like riding a bit more aggressively, but you're okay with changing your oil a bit more frequently than with an expensive synthetic option. These are the different types of refinements an engine oil can utilize. The best choice is whatever your owner's manual recommends, but if your manual doesn't have a recommendation, it typically comes down to the type of riding you intend to do. Last question. What is the difference between 2T and 4T oil? 2T engine oil is specifically designed to lubricate two-stroke motorcycle engines. 4T engine oil is specifically designed to lubricate four-stroke motorcycle engines. Most modern street bikes have a four-stroke engine, so unless you're oil shopping for your dirt bike or vintage machine, chances are you have a four-stroke engine. The one note to consider here is for Harley-Davidson owners, depending on your model, you might need 2 to 3 different types of oil. To simplify your shopping experience, we carry a variety of Harley oil change kits that include everything you need in one box. Just type your bike's information into the bike finder on the site to locate the kit for your machine. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of motorcycle oil and what option is right for your bike. Make sure you're regularly changing your oil and your oil filter based on the mileage recommendations in your owner's manual, and you'll be on the road for many miles to come.